This Toolbox talk is for general safety awareness only and does not replace required forklift training, hands-on evaluation, company procedures, or OSHA requirements. Only trained, evaluated, and authorized employees may operate forklifts or powered industrial trucks. Forklifts are used in many industrial workplaces to move heavy materials, but they create serious hazards when operators and pedestrians work in the same area. A forklift may look like a vehicle, but it does not operate like a car or a truck. Forklifts are heavy, turn differently, have blind spots, and may carry loads that block the operator's view. Discuss with your team and find where forklifts and pedestrians cross paths in your work area. These are the places where extra awareness is needed before work begins. Operators should inspect forklifts before use, report defects, and never operate unsafe equipment. While driving, follow site speed limits. Keep loads low and stable. Avoid sudden turns and watch for pedestrians. Use the horn at intersections, blind corners, doorways, and areas where visibility is limited. Operators must wear the seatbelt when provided and keep all body parts inside the operator compartment. Never allow riders or passengers unless the forklift is specifically designed or approved for them. Forks, pallets, steps, and counterweights are not riding platforms. Do not travel with the load raised higher than necessary. Lower the forks completely when parking. Set the brake. Place controls in neutral. And shut the equipment off when required by company policy. If a load blocks the operator's view, travel in reverse when safe, or use a spotter according to the site procedures. Do not guess your way around a blocked view. Pedestrians should use designated walkways and crosswalks when available. Stay out of the forklift's path. Never walk under raised forks or loads, and do not cut in front or behind of a moving forklift. Discuss with your team what pedestrians should do before crossing a forklift travel path. Never assume the operator sees you just because you see the forklift. Eye contact helps, but it's not a force field. Communication and housekeeping are key to preventing incidents. Use clear signals, follow site traffic rules, and use mirrors, warning lights, signs, barriers, and spotters when provided. Keep aisles, walkways, exits, and loading areas clear of debris, pallets, tools, cords, and other obstacles. Discuss whether there are any blind corners, blocked aisles, damaged mirrors, missing signs, or housekeeping issues that need correction. High-risk areas include intersections, dock doors, storage racks, production lines, parking areas, and shared travel paths. These areas require extra attention from both operators and pedestrians. Before starting work, discuss with your team what can be done today to reduce the risk of a forklift and pedestrian incident. Know where forklifts are operating, make sure you are visible, and never assume the operator sees you. Please take a few minutes to discuss your company policy and review your job site hazards before beginning work. This video and Toolbox talk does not authorize anyone to operate a forklift. Employers are responsible for ensuring forklift operators are properly trained, evaluated, and authorized before operating powered industrial trucks.